In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the notification sound in Slack. This is a handy feature to customize, especially if you're part of a busy workspace where notifications are constantly dinging in. Personalizing your notification sound can help you distinguish your alerts from others or simply make them more pleasant to your own ears. Let's dive into the short process that'll have you changing your Slack notification sound with ease. First things first, you'll need to open Slack on your computer or through the Slack app on your mobile device. It doesn't matter which platform you're on, as the steps are quite similar. Once Slack is up and running, you'll notice that it might list multiple workspaces if you're part of more than one team. It's important to select the workspace where you want to change the notification sound, as settings can vary across different workspaces. After selecting your preferred workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile photo or initials, which acts as a gateway to a menu containing your personal settings. Clicking on this will bring up a small menu of options, including Profile, Set Yourself as Away, and more. For our goal today, you should click on Preferences. This will redirect you to the settings area where most of your customization will take place. Once inside the Preferences menu, focus on the Notifications section. In this category, you can adjust various alert settings, but we're particularly interested in the section labeled Sound and Appearance. Scroll to find this option if you're having trouble locating it at first glance. The Sound section is where we'll be fine-tuning our notification audio. Within Sound and Appearance, you'll see an option titled Notification Sound, particularly dealing with huddles. Clicking on the drop-down menu beneath it will open up a list of sounds to choose from. Here, you can try out different tones to find the one that best suits your style or needs. Once you've settled on a sound that you like, simply select it, and it will be applied as your new notification sound. While we're here adjusting settings, you might notice the option to pause notifications. Sometimes you might want to focus without interruption, and pausing notifications is a great way to do that. Clicking on it lets you select how long you'd like to pause alerts, whether it's for a set duration like 30 minutes or until you choose to turn them back on manually. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have customized your Slack notifications to better fit your personal preferences or workflow. Feel free to explore other customizable features in Slack to optimize your user experience even more. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy Slacking!